Hi everyone, and welcome to this video on how to use Facebook to engage with customers. In this video, we will go over all the steps involved in creating, optimizing, and executing Facebook customer engagement strategies to effectively build relationships with your audience, foster brand loyalty, and drive business growth. Section 1. The importance of customer engagement on Facebook. Engaging with customers on Facebook offers numerous benefits. Enhanced customer relationships. By actively interacting with your customers, you build stronger relationships, fostering trust and loyalty. Improved brand perception. Engaging with customers demonstrates your commitment to customer satisfaction, enhancing your brand reputation and increasing customer satisfaction. Valuable customer insights. Customer interactions provide valuable insights into their preferences, pain points, and expectations, enabling you to improve your products, services, and overall customer experience. Brand advocacy. Engaged customers become brand advocates, promoting your brand to their networks and influencing others to become customers. Section 2. Understanding Facebook's role in customer engagement. Facebook's vast user base and diverse demographics make it an ideal platform for customer engagement. Direct communication. Facebook allows for direct communication with your customers, enabling you to respond to comments, messages, and reviews promptly. Variety of content formats. Facebook offers a variety of content formats, such as text posts, images, videos, and live streams, allowing you to engage with your audience in diverse and engaging ways. Targeting capabilities. Facebook's targeting capabilities enable you to reach specific customer segments based on their interests, demographics, and online behavior, ensuring your engagement efforts are focused on the most relevant audience. Section 3. Creating effective customer engagement strategies on Facebook. To create effective customer engagement strategies on Facebook, follow these steps. Define your engagement goals. Clearly define your objectives for customer engagement on Facebook. Are you aiming to increase brand awareness, generate leads, or drive customer satisfaction? Know your target audience. Identify your ideal customer personas, understanding their interests, demographics, and online behavior. Tailor your engagement strategies to resonate with their preferences. Create engaging content. Share high-quality content that is relevant to your target audience. Use a variety of formats, including informative blog posts, eye-catching videos, and interactive polls or quizzes. Respond promptly and professionally. Respond to comments, messages, and reviews promptly and professionally. Show that you value your customers' feedback and suggestions. Encourage user-generated content. Encourage user-generated content by running contests, inviting reviews, and featuring customer testimonials. Build a sense of community and ownership among your audience. Utilize Facebook's engagement tools. Leverage Facebook's engagement features, such as live streams, Q&A sessions, and polls, to create interactive experiences and foster meaningful connections with your customers. Section 4. Optimizing your customer engagement efforts. Continuously optimize your customer engagement efforts to maximize their impact. Track engagement metrics. Monitor metrics such as post engagement rates, comment counts, and message response times to assess the effectiveness of your engagement strategies. Analyze customer sentiment. Analyze the tone of online conversations about your brand to identify positive and negative perceptions and address any emerging issues promptly. Adapt to evolving trends. Stay updated on emerging trends in customer engagement and adapt your strategies accordingly. Incorporate new features, experiment with different content formats, and keep your engagement fresh and relevant. Utilize Facebook Analytics. Utilize Facebook Analytics to gain deeper insights into your audience's demographics, interests, and online behavior, enabling you to tailor your engagement efforts to their preferences. Seek feedback from customers. Regularly solicit feedback from your customers through surveys, polls, or informal discussions to identify areas for improvement and ensure their expectations are being met. Facebook offers a powerful platform for engaging with customers, building relationships, and driving business growth. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can create effective customer engagement strategies, optimize your efforts, and leverage Facebook to cultivate a loyal customer base that supports your brand's success. Remember, customer engagement is an ongoing process that requires continuous effort, adaptation, and a genuine commitment to